Here's how to install the stickers on your 944 AC faceplate. All sticker locations have a raised perimeter along their edge. This matches with the sticker. First, take the fan speed sticker and align it with the left edge of its raised perimeter. You're going to lay it down very lightly on top of the faceplate, which will allow you to reposition it if necessary. Take a pick or a small screwdriver and check all the edges as well as the inside cutouts. Once everything is aligned to your liking, you can go ahead and press firmly around the entire sticker to set it in place. Next, we're going to go for the inside sticker. It too has a raised perimeter. You're going to use the left side edge to align the sticker first. Place the sticker square against that leading edge and stick the first part down lightly. Then use your fingers to align the sticker as it lays down across the faceplate. Once it's in place, press the sticker down. The temperature control dial installs much like the fan speed dial. Remove the backing and align the left side perimeter with the left side of the sticker. You're going to lay it down very lightly so it can be repositioned if necessary. Once it is in place, press firmly around the entire sticker to set it permanently. That's it. All of your stickers are installed, and you're ready to install the AC faceplate.